my Nintendo Switch.
What is it?
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you know.
Oh, you got SpongeBob.
Up and down from across the room.
I could totally
Damn, what a hell.
Yeah.
I feel good. You look great. I
Look at the front of it. Oh. Gentle, don't hurt yourself.